Hey everyone, Sebcodes here with a Git tutorial. Today we'll be discussing how to install Git. I'm going to show it in two ways, the cool hacker way and the traditional way. So to do it the cool hacker way, you're going to go to your search bar, you're going to type in terminal, press enter, and from here you're going to type winget install --id git.git -e --source winget and press enter. You're going to let it load. And then the installer will pop up requesting to run. Click yes. Wait for the Git setup to complete. I forgot to add this when I was doing my first take. What you're going to want to do after you install Git is press the new tab icon and then do git --version. Alternatively, you can do Control-Shift-N, open up a new terminal, and do git --version there, and you'll have the same result. We shall now install Git the traditional way. So you're going to go to your browser of choice. You're going to go to the search bar and type in https://www.git-scm.com. Press enter, and you'll go to the Git website. Alternatively, you can just type in Git into new browser and it'll be the first pop-up. So you'll want to click download for Windows or whatever OS you are running, and then click on your installer. Mine is Windows x64. So I'll click on that, and it'll load up here. We'll go to our File Explorer, double click on the Git install, press yes, press next, choose whatever editor you are using. I'll be using VS Code eventually. Let Git decide. You can get from the command line and also from third-party software. Use bundled OpenSSH. Use the native Windows secured channel library. Check out Windows style, commit Unix style line endings. Use Minty, the default terminal of MSys2. Fast forward or merge. Git credential manager. Enable file system caching, and press install. I'll press cancel since I'm already set up with Git. Once Git is finished installing, go to your terminal, and then do git --version. And it should display your Git version right there. And that is how you install Git. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.